The Ohio doctor facing multiple murder counts, fighting to clear his name. Dr. William Husel, accused of intentionally causing fatal overdoses in his patients, is now taking his own legal action. And ABC's Trevor Ault has more. Good morning, Trevor.
Good morning, Eva. This is one of the biggest medical murder cases in decades. 25 counts of murder. The Ohio Attorney General even saying this doctor seemed to be a serial killer. But now the doctor's attorney says these allegations are flat out wrong, that they've destroyed this doctor's life and that the hospital made him look guilty to protect themselves.
This morning, the Ohio doctor accused of murdering more than 24 patients is fighting back against the hospital that employed him. His attorney filing a lawsuit alleging this is perhaps the most egregious case of defamation in Ohio's recent history.
I don't think where you can take a young doctor with a promising career and outright call him a murderer, a mass murderer, or serial killer and get away with it.
Dr. William Husel is accused of intentionally causing fatal overdoses in dozens of patients. Last December, he was fired from Mount Carmel Health Systems and his medical license suspended. In June, he was charged with 25 counts of murder.
This breach of a doctor's oath is vile and worthy of today's actions.
But Dr. Husel's attorney claims the accusations his client is a killer are based on zero evidence and nothing but false statements, and that Dr. Husel was only trying to provide comfort for patients in their final moments.
Basically, the prosecution's theory is that these patients died in 5 minutes as opposed to 10 minutes.
The lawsuit goes further, claiming the patients died from their illnesses, not the fentanyl he prescribed, and that the hospital knew full well that no policies were violated because the actual policies in effect explicitly permitted and encouraged the care Dr. Husel and the nurses provided to patients. The hospital has since settled multiple civil cases with patients' families for hundreds of thousands of dollars. In response to Dr. Husel's defamation suit, Mount Carmel tells us allegations such as these are unfounded. We completed an extensive review of patient care provided by Dr. William Husel and stand by our decisions.
Now, on top of firing Dr. Husel last December, the hospital also fired 23 other employees who worked with him in the intensive care unit. Last week, 10 of those employees filed their own lawsuit defending Dr. Husel and accusing the hospital of defaming him and also defaming the nurses who worked alongside him.
Complex story.
Yeah.
A lot to unfold here. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.